Mastering English. Swap when for other relative adverbs. Hello, language learners. We're here today to dig deeper into the realm of English grammar. We're going to dive into a specific aspect of relative adverbs, the adverb when. But we won't just be learning about when. We'll be looking at how to replace when with other relative adverbs to expand and diversify our language usage. Let's expand our language horizons together. When is a relative adverb that is often used to refer to a time. For example, in the sentence, I remember the day when we first met. When is used to link the time phrase, the day, to the rest of the sentence. However, when isn't the only tool we have to express time in English. Let's explore some alternatives. The term at which can often be used as a formal alternative to when. For example, consider the sentence, "This is the hour when the train arrives." We can rewrite this sentence as, "This is the hour at which the train arrives." On which is another formal alternative to when, especially used in relation to days and dates. For instance, the sentence, "I won't forget the day when I graduated," can be rewritten as, "I won't forget the day on which I graduated." For periods or durations of time, we can use in which as an alternative to when. For example, the sentence, 2018 was the year when I moved to New York, could be rephrased as, 2018 was the year in which I moved to New York. Now it's time for practice. Remember, it's through practice that we truly learn. Try to rewrite these sentences using the alternatives to when that we have learned. 1. Do you remember the moment when we saw the rainbow? 2. The decade when we achieved most advancements in technology was the 2010s. 3. The day when we celebrate our independence is a national holiday. You can share your answers in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in, language learners. We hope you've gained a better understanding of how to replace when with other relative adverbs in English. The key is to practice, so don't forget to try rewriting sentences on your own. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and let's master English together.